Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today I am going to do a requested hairstyle video. A couple of videos back I wore a messy bun and I always have to kind of think, how am I going to pull this off? Because to be honest with you, I don't plan my hairstyles. I kind of just take them out of the rollers and just go for it. So today it may not turn out identical to the other day, but it will give you an idea of what you need to do. So, okay, so I've got myself down lower today so that I can get my whole head in, and we're going to see if we can get this done in this room, because normally I do my hair in my bathroom. You will need three things. You will need to have your hair curled. So if you have naturally curly hair, you're not going to have to do this step of the hairstyle. You just want to have loose, messy curls. I wanted you all to be able to look at the placement of the rollers, and you will notice that it is not neat, okay? You don't need to worry about sectioning your hair off perfectly, okay? Just grab pieces of hair, and you want to take just enough hair to fit on the roller. I think the problem is with a lot of people in hot rollers is they take too much hair and they try to wrap it around and then it starts falling and spilling out. Some hair is going to spill out, but for the most part of it, you want your hair really laying smoothly on the roller. And I've done roller sets before on my channel. All right, so all I did was take the top section has 3 rollers. They're all going back. The side section, the 2 top rollers are going, I over-directed the hair up and rolled it down so that I get a little height here. And those are rolled under. These are rolled up, and then the back is just rolled down in any way I could grab hair, okay? So we're gonna take all the rollers out, and you don't even need a brush for this. You're going to need hairspray, and you are going to need a hair tie, a little rubber band, okay? Not a rubber band, something that is made for the hair, because rubber bands are going to break your hair, so don't use a rubber band. And I did wash my hair last night, and I let it dry naturally because it's so hot here right now. I just can't stand the thought of the blow dryer. So I let it dry naturally, but you don't have to. You can dry your hair with the blow dryer. And then this morning, I got my rollers good and hot. That's another thing. You have to make sure that your rollers are really hot when you go to use them. So I will, for instance, today, I got out of bed and turned my rollers on, went downstairs, started getting, lunch ready, all that kind of stuff, breakfast, let the dogs out. So I do my morning chores, and while I'm doing them, my rollers are heating up. So they actually were heating up for about an hour. So then they're nice and hot, okay? So when my hair comes out, this is what it looks like. Do not, my friends, get a brush. Do not. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is, I think I'm going to have to stand up, and I'm going to try to get my head in view here. Okay, let me move my chair a little bit. I'm doing this for you, my friends. Okay, so you're going to dump your head over. Okay, so all your hair is hanging down now. You don't want to run your fingers through it. You just want to shake those curls loose, okay? So just shake the curls loose. And I'm just noticing while I'm down here that I got makeup on my jeans. Ah, not good. All right, get back to the hairstyle. So just shake it out. And you don't want to shake it out really hard. You just want to give them a tousle. So they're going all over the place now, okay? You see them? All over. So then you're going to grab the hair in a high ponytail, okay? High ponytail. So now I can sit back down for this. So give me a moment. Okay, so now we have the ponytail in our hand, and this is where you can take the opportunity to kind of straighten it out a little bit without pulling it through all those curls. So I'm just going to lift this hair up, okay? So now you want to pull that through just one time, the ponytail, okay? And then the second time you come through, you don't want to, that's it, okay? You're just pulling it through halfway, leaving those curls out. And then you just move that bun around, and that hair will just fall out where you want. And then you'll take your hairspray and you just spray the pieces where you like. You can have some sticking up in the back, and then you have these little pieces here that'll stick out. You just spray it and you make it as messy as possible. I guess it's not a very smart idea to be spraying this over open flame. So I better move up. Okay, so I'm just going to lift this hair up a little bit here because I need to even it out. Put that like so. And I just have a messy bun on my head now. And then while the hairspray is still wet, I just piece it around. And that's it. I just get a messy bun. So now if you want to take some hair, you don't necessarily want it all pulled off your face. You just take your pinky fingernail if you have it, whatever, and you pull down the pieces that you want. I like to just have a couple of pieces flowing, not a lot. And then I'll give it a nice spritz because you want it to last. So you give it a nice spritz. And that's it. You have your bun for the day, a messy bun. I'm taking in a lot of hairspray right now. Okay, a couple of tips that will make this work for you. Don't play around with your hair too much. Just pull the ponytail through once, pull it through a second time, and just leave it, and then just take the pieces, work with the hairspray, take the pieces, and just, you can put them anywhere you want, and make sure that you're using a hairspray that has at least a medium hold. You all know that I'm not a real big hairspray person, but for this type of style, you do need to have a firm hold or medium hold, at least hairspray. So get yourself a good hairspray, and then you can also like pull these if you like a little more fullness around here. You can just lightly pull them, and you can spray that if you want or not. I don't tend to spray this part of the hair because I kind of like throughout the day the little pieces that fall out on their own. It gives it that sassy, sexy look to it. So that is it, my friends. And the bun can be wherever you choose. You can place it even higher up on your head. But it really is not complicated. It's very, very simple, actually. You do have to have, now I just had my hair cut to about here, so the length of my hair is a little bit shorter. If you have longer hair, your bun may be out to here. So you may have to pull it through the ponytail twice and then just halfway through and play with it, okay? And it will never turn out the same, but that's okay because then it seems like you're wearing a different hairstyle every day. But hairstyles like this become people's signature. So I happen to love my hair long, but I know I look better with my hair up and off of my face. But I do love to have long hair for this reason, because I can wear it in so many different styles. So that's it. That's my messy bun. All you need is a hair tie, a good hairspray, and some curly hair to start. You cannot have straight hair and get this look. It has to be curly. So take a moment, get the hot rollers out, give your hair a little bit of a curl, and then that's it, my friends. You're good to go. All right? Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous. It's me again. Before I let you go, I wanted to do a quick update on the Dior Backstage Face and Body. I just put out a review video on it, but I wanted to try a couple of different applications with it. I wanted to try it with a primer, and I also wanted to try it with a powder. In the video, I said I was going to try it with my Artiste brush and my beauty blender, which this is the Sonia Kashuk that you get at Target. My doggy girls are right there. Come on, Lula. Anyway, so I did just that. Now today I do have the foundation on. I have 2 layers of it on. I have it over a primer, and I also have it with my La Prairie translucent powder. I have to keep one eyeball on them because they chew things quickly. I love the finish of this foundation. Now with over a primer, I am not having that same problem. There is no breaking up at all of this foundation, not under my nose, under my mouth, not even on my jawline. It is playing really well with the primer that I used, and I used the Benefit Pores No More or something like that primer. Okay, it also applies very nice with your Artiste brush. Now I will say with both of them, 3 layers is just too much for me, okay? I have no concealer underneath my eyes today. I used only the foundation again, just because I wanted to see how it worked as a concealer because some women do not wear concealer. So I wanted to see how it played underneath the eyes. Remember, I have very, very dry skin. I am a 59-year-old woman, mature skin, with wrinkles under my eyes. I have sagging and jowls, and I have a couple of folds right here, and it's not gathering in any of them. I really think this is worth trying, my friends. It feels absolutely weightless on the face. You feel like you have nothing on. Harley's very interested in my earrings over there. Lula, Lula, come here, baby. You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi? Well, what's Lula got on her mouth? Oh, Lula's been chewing something already. You want to come up and say hi? No, Lula doesn't like to come up on your lap. She's not my lover, okay? She's my fierce protector. Harley is my lover. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to let you go, but I wanted to let you know that this and our temperature today is in the 80s. Humidity is high. It's been wonderful, my friends. It has absolutely been wonderful. I would, however, for me, I would go ahead and spray my Hangover 321. I have no contacts in and no glasses on, so I can't read this. Let me get my zoom lens. It's the Hangover RX 3-in-1 by Too Faced. I would go ahead and spritz this over just to take some of that powder look away, but I am so happy I went ahead and tried this, and I think that many of you will also. Now remember, I cannot say how it's going to wear on an oily skin or even a normal combination skin. But for this dry skin girl who usually stays as far away as possible from matte foundations, this one is going in my lineup. I love it. So I still say a 3.5 star because it does have fragrance and it does have alcohol, but outside of that, wonderful, wonderful foundation, my friends. Give it a try, all right? I let you go now. You have a wonderful day. Bisous. Oh, it's okay, Salula Lula. Come here, my babies. Come here. Come here, my Lula. Come here. Oh boy, here she comes, my friends. Here she comes. There's my Lula. There's my Lula. Say hi. There's my Lula. Oh, I just love my babies. I love my girls. Say hi. Hi. Okay. She says, what can I inspect while I'm up here? You gonna say hi to them? She says, my mommy is absolutely nuts. Oh, I love these dogs. Oh, I love them. All right. Bye-bye. Wait. Oh, no, Harley. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay, Harley. Oh. And there's my Harley girl. I can't do a video without the Harley Barley. Okay. Bye, my friends.